Guys, kaya muna tayo, no?
You're late, Dad.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're late. It was like 9 seconds.
Talk to them, where are we going?
So we're going to Adding Science House. And you're going to meet Adding Science. I don't know if she's good or bad.
Yeah.
My dad is right here.
Yeah. See it in here. And this is your... This is, and you want bacon, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Wow. Popo want a bacon too. Guys, stay tuned, okay? Popo is eating.
Bacon. Nick. And rice.
Come na. Music tayo, music. YouTube.
No. Was it YouTube or Da?
Yan ang music.
Was that YouTube or Da?
I know. It's like, I want music.
Is it all YouTube?
Yeah.
What? I was trying to make you laugh. How about this?
Do everything we can to keep our kids
Guys, kain tayo guys.
protect you and child.
Kuha muna tayo. Almusal. So eat now. We're going to?
I just want to drink first.
Yeah, sure. You want to drink
Where is my drink?
milk? Oh, milk. You want to drink milk, mommy?
What?
Mommy. Nice. We're so lucky guys, no? Nakakakain tayo nito. Kaya nung bata kami.
Philippines don't have food, but we have a box for Philippines.
Yeah, we have a box for the Philippines. We're gonna send it, right?
Yeah.
What did you put? Coffee, chocolate,
Chocolate,
sugar, and
vanilla.
yeah, and then what else? Some toys, right? You give it to the poor guys, right?
I only don't like my baby toys.
No, okay.
I want to send that for my Philippines.
Okay.
It's in the black box.
Back them coffee. Yeah, right? Yeah, big guy.
Mom, what's your favorite cat?
Come now, let's eat now. Let's eat now. Come.
Stop eating now, please. We're going.
No. I like it.
So you like this egg?
Ang bubuhay na sa Pilipinas po guys. Pwede na.
Is this the same egg that mommy cooked?
Like,
Mama. Ano.
I can feel something on my feet.
Naalala ko guys, nung bata kami. Ang lulo namin may mga manok. Pag wala kaming ulam. Naku. Gabi pa lang bago almusal, bago kinamagahan. Kinukuha na namin yung itlog. Para makatikim lang kami ng ganito. Bibili ka noon. Mga 3 pesos at 3.50 gano'n. Pero ngayon napakamahal na. Dahil daw 8, 9. Isang itlog sa Pilipinas. No, hindi pa nagtatas ang gasolina. Baka ngayon siguro nasa 11 o 12 na to. Ang itlog. Bacon. Madalang guys, madalang. Siguro sa loob ng isang taon, mga 2 beses o 1 beses na ako makatakin ng ganito. Baka minsan madalang pa. Itlog. Minsan. Kape tinapay lang. Nuwala bilang sari-sari. Pag gagaling namin na maghuli ng isda, yung tinatawag nilang kalukor. Yun ang masarap. Yung umaga-umaga, buting naman, luto kami, kunting asin, kunting suka, pangat, sarap. Okay. Pero come on, no. Alright guys, let's do it. Nice.
This whole egg. This whole egg.
Ay! Siya nga po pala. Guys, shout out kay Ate Penny. Kararating galing Pilipinas. Imagine guys, ilang buwan siya na stranded doon dahil nung bago flight niya, nag-positive siya. Napinding ulit yung call niya. Kaya, probably ilang months siya na nandun sa Pilipinas. Pauwi lang ngayon. Kailan bumuwi ata? Kahapon ata o 3 days ago. Parang gano'n. 60. Come on po. Tapos nito guys, yun na. Gaya ng sabi ko, punta kami na maple syrup. Bisip kami.
Maple syrup.
Sorry. Yun na yung correction na sinasabi. Guys, ito mahirap guys, no? Yung mga Canadian na bata, kinukorek na yung mga magulang galing sa, alam mo na, yung natutunan kong English sa Pilipinas. Maple syrup.
Maple.
Maple. Good, should be good pronunciation guys. Maple syrup. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, try mo guys. Tinatawag.
Crazy dad.
Crazy dad. Shout out po pala doon sa mga kapatid ko nasa Pilipinas. Sila Jessa, pamangkin ko, Bibi, Newmark. Yeah. Kasi sila yung nag-aalaga kay mother.
But I have some more shout out.
Oh, who shout out?
Shout out Kuya Liam.
Oh, and then?
And shout out Leon.
Ah, Leon.
Yeah, like my friend at school.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
How about your teacher?
Shout out Miss Tredman and shout out Miss Miletich.
Wow.
They don't know we have a video.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's okay. It's okay.
What? I am.
Kala mo guys, no? Unless may nakukurik ng grammar ko. Pag English, no? Ayos. Okay. Dito na pinanganak si Po, kaya halos yung boses niya, parang Canadian na Canadian.
Okay, do you like this?
No.
Come on, wait now, Po.
Eating time.
No. Ito na kami kasi sa pagkain. Can I have this one? You wanna eat anymore, okay?
Okay.
Akin na daw si Rose. Give me that one. I put it here. Okay. Can I have a little rice?
Yeah.
Share? You to share to daddy?
And a little bit of egg.
Oh, a little.
But not the whole, but not the whole egg.
Hey guys. I know you're full because you're doing a lot of milk over there.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing and caring.
No, it's that you have to put the boing.
Oh, okay. The point.
Yeah.
So, who's your friend in the Philippines, Kuya?
Kuya.
Japoy?
Yeah.
Kuya Japoy, Kuya Tantan. Shout out pala kay Kuya Tantan.
And Kuya Japoy.
Kuya Japoy. Kuya Benz. Kuya Benz. Yeah, you didn't say Kuya Benz? Kuya Jiro. Yeah.
Kuya Japoy.
And then, kay Nanay Lumin.
Shout out.
Shout out din kay Merly. Tito Marjun, Tatay. Shout out ko dyan. Sa mga di ko nabanggit, di ko na maalala, no? Pasensya na pero shout out sa
Shout
inyong mahal.
out Calvin.
Shout out to Calvin and Ryan daw.
Yeah, and Kevin.
And Marmarland.
Yeah, and Valeniki.
Oh, yeah. Ikaw ang lali na.
Shout out Allison.
Wow. Good. Slowly.
Shout out Kuya Arjun.
Arjun. Okay. I don't know who's that.
Arjun? You don't know Arjun?
No. Oh, the Kambal?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Si Kambal. Shout out dun sa Kambal. What's the name of that one? Audrey and?
I don't know.
Audrey. Yeah. Shout out to Kuya Audrey and Audrey. Tita Janice. Tito June. Yeah. Nanay Bing. Shout out.
Tito Mo.
Tito Mox. Tito Renier.
Aling Sayon.
Yeah, Ading Sayon. Yeah. Tito Mox. Tita Portia. Right? Shout out to Lola Aida.
Shout out Lola Bing.
Lola Bing, yeah. Who else?
Well,
Yeah. Tita Jean, shout out. Yeah.
shout out Dad's friend.
Oh, that's fun. I don't know.
Dad's friend.
Oh, Dad's friend. Yeah, shout
Yeah.
out sa mga friends ko, Dad's friend.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
one that he gives the wallet.
Oh, the guy that which I give the wallet to, shout out. Yeah, see, this guy, he knows it, huh? Yeah, okay. Oh, ano lang. Very good talaga, ha? Pwede nang mabuhay. Pwede nang umuwi sa Pilipinas, guys. What's that? Eat properly. It's not good. Come on. Pag maaga tayo mamaya sa wakwan,
Shark.
i-ayos natin unti-unti yung box. Ayusin namin yung box.
I need water.
Ha?
I need water.
You need water?
Just a little.
Hmm?
Just a little now.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna give you water. Guys, saglit lang.
Dad is getting my water. What else I can check out? Shout out, Mom. Shout out, Mom.
Shout out, Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice to hear that.
Shout out, Dad. And the last one, shout out Tito Pink.
Ah?
Tito Pink.
Yeah. Shout out to Kuya Liam, Kuya Joaquin.
You're walking.
Yeah.
And
Shout out to Dab.
yeah, and Kuya Liam's dad.
Oh, Kuya Tito Dante. That's Kuya Liam's dad. Who else?
Tito Mo.
Tito mo, that's not adding science dad. Who else?
Tita Jonas.
No, Tito Janice. Yeah, I know that.
We never said that word.
No, I said already.
Tita Jonas?
I told you already.
I didn't hear that.
Oh guys, nakikita niya, no? Kanina nag-jogging ako, nakita niyo yung mga nasa daan, no? O, siguro pag sa Pilipinas yun, kukumutan pa yun guys. Kukumutan pa. Yeah. Mga
I love
appliances.
my bacon.
Yeah. Your bacon? Yeah, I like your bacon. Mm-hmm. Ito na lang. So shout out sa mga pamangkin ko dyan, no? Sa Limaloy. And kay Erpat. Kay Tito, Uncle Pog, Tito Joe, Tito Gima. Kay Auntie Annie, Auntie Leonor. Yan, mga tito ko naman dyan. Sa'yo naman yan. Shout out ko sa inyo, ingat ko lagi. Kay BE, shout out din. Right? Kay Angel, shout out. Kay sino yun? Yung kapatid nila na isa. Shout out din. Yung nasa bahay. Kay DJ. Kuya DJ.
Yeah.
You good? Come on. So that you will begin. We're gonna go early and we're gonna buy pag.
Let's go soon.
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Busin ko na to guys. So,
And then so when I'm done eating,
yeah.
I do this.
Your mouth?
I'm
Water?
gonna drink it in one time.
Oh yeah. So guys, update naman na namin kayo. Punta kami ng kwan eh. Mga po sir, BS muna kami. Ligo muna ako kasi po naka-ready na eh. Si Mrs.
Shout
Okay na
out,
yun eh.
shout out, cup, because it's done.
Okay guys, see you.
See you, bye bye. Get
Okay,
over,
okay, here.
guys.
Hi guys, Popol something, want to show you something how to put their jacket. Popol, do
Yeah, and
it!
everything.
Galing
And
oh!
more things.
Zip up, please.
I don't know how to zip up.
Ano yan?
Galing oh! That's it?
Nope.
You gotta put his shoes.
Yeah.
No. Put some boots.
Oh, boots. Getting cold.
Why?
Yes, getting cold.
Because we're going to the mud.
Oh,
And
yeah?
we're also going to
What is my?
Oh, girl, we're going to the mad guys,
Where's
so
my
we're going to
shoes?
put boots.
It's not done,
Wala ba yung boots,
Dad.
man?
Oh no, you can't bring your boots up there.
So guys, nandito na kami sa loob pero hindi ko pa alam kung saan. Pero yung may kasama namin, nahuli na. Kaya diretso lang tayo guys. So, maple syrup. Where is it? Oh, guys. Ito na.
BMX truck or meron sa BMX truck.
Wow.
Is it truck?
Truck 3K.
Yeah,
I think CSB. Oh, guys, so this is it. I don't know where we're going. Right now we're just waiting for our friends. Oh, this is a community safety village. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a lot of thing there. That's the park. Okay.
Yeah, look at the parking space. Where's the parking space?
Yeah.
Where is that?
Guys, ito na. Dito na
This
tayo.
is still in the way.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, it's a lot of people, guys. Maganda siya. So, ano bang entrance dito? Paano ba yung entrance? Paano
Just go
ticket?
to the parking.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, guys, ito na. Kung tayo, hindi ko alam.
Parking spot.
Yeah, we're looking for parking spot here.
Yeah, you can park here on the side.
Staff vehicles only. Okay.
Look.
Yes. Oh yeah, I don't know where to go, but let's see. Parang maaga tayo mapapauwi nito. Pero it's okay. We're gonna park in a nice way. So maybe this is a nice park. Nice.
That's why. So you should put in your boots because we're here now.
Okay. So guys, maganda yung area. Parang feel ko yung area, guys. Parang tumatas ang aking aura. Ang aura ni Poo at aura ni Daddy. Okay guys, dito na tayo. Pero hindi namin alam kung nasan yung mga kasama namin.
Just stay on the way,
Ha?
Stay on the way.
So, update guys. So guys, dito na kami. Pero kailangan pa rin ng face mask. Okay, kasama ko si Polly. Summer Pauls. Yeah, daming tao guys. Ayun. Pinanantay namin yung pinsan ni Paul. Pinsan ni Mrs. Okay. So, parang din, banding ng mga bata. Nakakapaglaro sila kung saan saan. Yeah. So, excited?
Yeah.
Oh, Paul is so excited. Yeah.
I wonder what Einstein is doing. Yeah.
I think Hi is coming. Come now.
Yeah, where's Peter Porsche?
Are you coming?
They're coming.
Say hi.
Hi.
We're waiting for Ading.
I'm Zion.
Yeah.
He's coming in a minute.
Daming tao guys, oh. Ano yan? Dami.
Oh my god. This is wrong.
Pero pwedeng mamasyal, pasyal-pasyal.
I go down there.
Malamig pa rin, konti. Kamali nga ako ng suit. So guys, stay tuned. Balikan namin kayo. Stay tuned. Okay. O yun guys, no? So dito kami sa maple syrup guys. Wow. Pasyal-pasyal kami yung dalawang batas doon to ha. Ito. Tuwang-tuwa sila guys. Nakakatuwa rin. Yung banding nilang magpinsan. Nakakuha namin. Pinsan ni Mrs. So guys, ang ganda. Wow. Ito na. Punta kami ng park. Papasok kami sa park guys. We're gonna go inside the park. Yeah, we are here in a maple syrup festival. Oh, it's nice. It's an adventure. Yeah. Tapos na yung adventure namin. Masyal naman kami. Kakain sa labas. We're going to eat food outside. So stay tuned, okay? We're going to Markham Station Restaurant. Okay? See you. Hi guys, thank you for
watching.
Kabaluyan and
And
Basically not
stay tuned.
stay tuned.
furniture, but with the business side.